Um, the new thing I did the one try catch lah. Yeah, that one only.
Okay, you add in try catch only lah.
Yeah. And
So you
also the design I change a bit lah.
the one that you have submitted in the assignment, the latest one,
Yeah.
the latest one that is actually reflect to the system as well,
Yeah.
Everybody having the latest copy, yeah? Am I right? Every one of you, all of you, you have the latest copy, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Because as mentioned, I'm working from home is quite slow to access your program here at this moment. Never mind. Okay. Never mind. For Noel, you have done the practical until 9. You can continue to the last one, to the file. And then Farah, how about your progressions on the practical?
Since the assignment kan I didn't
You
do
8 lah.
the I still at
Okay, so today please continue. So for Kelvin, I want you to present your part first, then only you continue with the practical that you have left out previously. Okay. So you can share your screen now.
My program still my computer still pretty slow in opening.
Okay, never mind. And wait, don't worry.
Do I directly start from the ticketing and the bus, or do I
You start at the login part.
at the login part?
Yeah. And then one thing, your assignment report seems like you didn't mention on the login.
The login module?
Yeah.
Oh, didn't write about login module. Oh yeah.
Yeah, lor. That's why you actually need to talk about the thing lah. The one whole system you have is not only focus on your own part, and then everybody focus on your own part. At the end, none of you can remember. Actually, you need to come up with the login module. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can just start. So at the same time, listening to Win, Sarah, and Noah, you can do your practical.
Okay.
Don't miss your time.
Miss, for your info, I did add the try catch on Kelvin's part, the try catch error, but I don't know lah. It's a bit messy for me lah.
How come you are the one adding it?
Because actually I want to help him, because if my idea was kan, if I do the error that try catch, it's a bit fast lah. So while communicating kan, I at the group I asked like how what's the try catch like that lah.
So Kevin, you have any idea to do this or not? Do try catch or not?
Oh, I didn't. When I finished it, I didn't have try catch.
You didn't have this, but now this Pharaoh is helping you. So you have any idea on doing this try catch or not?
No, I didn't. I don't know how to do, because whenever I try to write another thing, I just, because the thing is linked to other ID, and then it just close the program doesn't work properly when I try to do it. So Vera did it for me lah.
Yeah, but
not sure how he did it lah.
Yeah, but only one part lah. I add only that one add ticket.
Which module, Farah?
Add ticket one, the ticketing one. Yeah, only that one lah. I add, the rest I didn't, because a bit confusing already kan. I didn't know.
So for this part, for what Alvin is going to present now, is it the lattice one
Latest
or
Yeah,
lattice
yeah,
one?
yeah. Aha, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ticketing one. Oh yeah, the add ticket like this. At the beginning, I wanted to do like use the data grid and to select the information for other from other table and then just insert it to the ticketing table lah. But after a long time, I couldn't I couldn't I couldn't get it to work. So I have to use this alternative like just create in the raw data and then insert into the table.
Before you start to present, just to make sure the ticketing part and also the bus module, both, both are actually done by you,
Ah,
the final versions, right?
yeah, yeah, final version. I
This is
didn't put the try catch in the ticket.
except the try catch part.
I hit the try catch.
So you did learn something already now.
I did learn something. Yeah.
Okay, and thanks to Farah and Noel for their help. And I believe they really guide you on this matter.
Yeah.
You should appreciate that.
Mhm.
Okay, so you can start.
Yeah. In ID, and then this destination they all have different prices for the children and adult lah. And then the schedule ID is also it's almost same type of digit. And then
So the schedule ID here should be happen at the Ferris module, right?
Ah, yeah.
I suppose it has to be have to be in the same have to be in the table as if not it'll show it'll get error.
Okay.
It'll like close the it'll close the
Okay.
program there.
You try to use previously like you change it maybe to combo box, and you just select the list schedule ID from the combo box that can be generated from TerraPad. You try that, but cannot work.
I want to do the data grid thing and then double click when I double click the schedule data and then the schedule data will go into the ticketing data ticketing table data. So but I couldn't get it to succeed after a day or two, so I just got this alternative lah.
At least you did try. So
Yeah.
logically, you see, since TerraPad schedule ID, you have definitely you have those destinations details, ma. Okay? So the logic based on the schedule ID here, you can get the destinations details from TerraPad lah.
Yes,
Oh?
it was supposed like I click the schedule and
Mm.
automatically it will give me destination and then the price automatic and then the booking also the time the time
Good
automatic.
time.
Yeah, and then this all different
Any
discounts. So what?
okay? Any reason you want to set your booking date manually
Oh, like
instead of generate automatically booking date? Any reason?
or maybe no booking dates like what time the bus leave, right? That's my understanding for it.
Is when the
Oh yeah.
user or customer or member buy the ticket. Huh?
Oh,
Your
yeah. Oh no, it's yeah, it makes sense to have it for today only.
Oh, yeah, lor.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
right. Yeah.
It's like making sense. To be logic is like a current date and time lah.
Yeah, because I
So
thought
this
like
one can be
maybe the
improved lah in the future.
yeah, maybe I was thinking that maybe the customer want to book for tomorrow the bus ticket. Yeah, that was thinking.
One
And
to
so
book for
so
tomorrow is based on the schedule ID lah. So on your schedule ID, you know what time,
yeah.
what bus already, what destinations, who's the bus operating, all these things lah. It to be logic is like lah.
Yeah.
This one is only for your improvement. I know a lot of things you still have a lot of rooms to improve lah. No problems with
No,
that.
I
You
didn't have
keep it
enough
for,
time to
yeah, I know. You keep it and then make sure next time you think of all those things lah.
it makes more sense automatically to set.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. How many percent different membership types here?
Oh, member ID not found.
Actually, it's only the member ID. Actually, the try catch kan, it's supposed to one message pop up only, but I don't know why come up that one. Yeah, that one.
Hey,
You try to go back and then see what's the member ID that you have in the first one, right? ID and schedule ID.
this one.
So, Farah, you have done for the first one is the try catch, right?
Sorry.
Latest one you have submitted today is that the try catch that you made. You
Yeah.
add on to the schedule and also ticket. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to have. Why? It's working.
How many zero you have done?
It's supposed to be correct. Now it's not working. No. Maybe the try
Check
catch
whether
make it
you
work.
have.
Double check.
Please double check.
Okay lah.
Yeah, you can straight away just check it now.
Straight away what?
Check it now.
Yeah, the table.
Yeah.
Or maybe easier if I just run the program check. Yeah, it's supposed to have the member ID.
How many zero inside there?
The 40 here. Yeah.
Zero,
Yeah, 40. I was just now also for
Oh,
the schedule 60.
60,
Yeah, I don't think I had problem with it.
Is that ticket ID still okay?
Try again.
Schedule ID 60. You really want to use those many zero to make yourself confused.
Yeah, it's just
Yeah.
no, I
So many
don't.
zero.
Readable lah.
Okay, now can.
Already. I think because of the number of zero inside it.
Maybe I type wrong.
Confused already, huh?
Maybe I
Okay.
type wrong.
Yeah. Okay, good. So, what's the one that you type in? Is the 10020, huh? Ticket ID.
Yeah. Is there a way to make it like automatically keep increasing by one?
I think
the
well
ID?
done.
Oh, well done that.
Well done that for the bus operator or nations already, and well, this should be bus operator, if not mistaken, well. And there's one demo or practical. I think should be demo. It's talking about the auto increasing +1 +1
Oh,
every time. Yeah.
oh,
Is it? Okay.
yeah,
And
here.
then again to be logical, your ticket number because there are a lot of transactions for this ticket. Then yeah, to be logical, you should auto generate it.
Yeah, that's
Huh?
yeah. I could have
Mm.
I could have like got it, but I didn't know how to do it. Should
If when you check through the demo file, if you really try all the demo file, you will get it from one of it. Huh?
yeah.
Always can improve yourself after this. Okay, so take it as a lesson, Kelvin.
This yeah
You
this
cannot do a lot of
this
most of
subject,
the things is because you didn't go through the demo and practical enough lah.
yeah.
Mm. Since the ad is okay, you okay?
Yeah, the view is just from here ID or 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 you can just change. You can look for the schedule ID.
Mm-hmm.
Because multiple ID and also ID can be in the same schedule like that. Yeah.
Same schedule, okay.
And then the update ticket, just you have to edit. Oh no, I also have this problem. I don't know how to remove this. I don't know how to remove these two.
Same like Vero, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it links different table kan. So I don't know how to remove it.
Oh,
But what I did, I actually decrease the size only. So
not decrease the size only.
So
yeah,
cannot see
So
the
that is not readable already lah.
yeah,
avoid responsibility.
yeah.
Yeah, you want to
Okay.
select one to update, just select one like this here. Just double click here. And it'll show the ID, then it'll show you can change here the data. But the problem is whenever I change the adult and children, I couldn't get the amount paid to change.
Yeah.
Formula. That's the biggest problem I have with this because
Mm-hmm.
I tried to put in the formula, but and then I tried to make it make sense, but and then I couldn't get it to work properly. This part.
Okay. Okay. You have the logic, but you cannot apply that, huh?
I couldn't
Okay.
apply. Yeah, I also
I think
should have had
for this part also, Noel, you think for your Noel's part, I think for the because yesterday I have glanced through a bit. I haven't really have glanced through your system a bit. Seems like Noel's part, when you do your update, you can do some changes on currency lah. You can but after this lah, this one you have to submit today already. Otherwise, I have no time to mark. Huh?
yeah.
Yeah. So, but whatever changes that you have done here, you can do manual changes. So, manual changes, and then it's really updated. It's only the amount is not updated as is.
Yeah, because whenever I change this, cannot update this.
And
Maybe I could have added the destination and then added the destination table, and then I can do copy paste the formula from the add module to do the calculation maybe.
that is valid. Other than valid status,
Oh, I want
you have
added and cancelled should be, but I didn't add the
status for
scope.
the ticket.
Yeah, like if the staff want to cancel the ticket, they have to change the ticket status lah. I wanted a separate table I wanted a separate module to do this, but I think because I thought it was too troublesome and take too much time, I just put it update. I might as well just put it here, update the status here. But I should have put in the drop-down table for valid.
So
and then
maybe you can also make it to the
make the
small size.
what, miss? I couldn't hear. Miss.
For the status wise, you have not many. Hello, you all can
Yeah.
hear me?
Okay, I can hear now.
Status wise, you have not many types, is it?
Yeah,
So
should
you
be
can
only
make it to
two.
the combo.
Yeah, should be combo and drop down option.
Yeah. Okay.
And then just yeah.
What did you update just now? I didn't notice. What did you update just now?
Yeah, I updated the member ID. I updated
Oh, member ID only lah.
member ID, and then just if I change this, and then yeah, how
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, like this you change.
Mhm.
So very still very scuffed lah. Still very scuffed, I
Mhm.
think. And then this is the generate sales report. I wanted to do yearly, but I couldn't. I wanted to do a yearly, like how many, and then total amount add together and then print out lah. But also like, time didn't allow me to do it. I wanted like 2016, 2017, 2021, and then separately, and then it says amount the total amount like revenue add together, put it there every year. But then not enough time, so I just put in all the data for the tickets, sales report.
So you need to mention how useful is this report in this way. It is presented in this way. How useful it is.
Put it this way. The staff have to manually look at the every year and then calculate
It
manually
seems like
the amount paid.
something similar to what you have when you view.
Yeah.
Your view
When-
ticketing, huh?
Yeah, but this one you want to print it out. You want to print out the
Definitely,
data.
you still have for the print, all these things. Don't worry, because I can see that you have effort to do that. Huh?
Yeah.
Apply what you have learned for the print, what you're going to print out. Even though that record is not that useful or not that meaningful, you still have some marks there, don't worry. All of you, if you think that your report is not that useful, because this report is actually to test you all whether you all really apply. You also feel lesser with SQL part, then I can understand that lah. For this repeat. So any reason why you don't have any delete functions here?
Any? Oh yeah, I can put in. I forgot about it. I got you all update and then I forgot to add delete. Yeah. It's just I forgot lah. Yeah, that's.
You forgot. I forget.
Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, forgot to put delete.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Move on to the next module.
The bus. This one bus. The bus, I don't know what data to put in. Maybe so I just put in the ID and then how when he bought on.
As you can have all this kind of brand, model, color, maybe the
Brand module, brand.
And purchase date, okay, like you have put in the purchase date. Kind of like that, like car model. If you need to collect the car records, the details normally is like car plate number. So in this case, you use ID. It's a bit logic lah.
You just
We use plate number.
Plate number. Yeah, plate number.
Number. And
Also,
the color different. Maybe you have different color of it, different model of it, different brand of it. and collect all these type of details so that later on you can actually generate some reports from it lah. Otherwise, the only reports you can generate is to count how many bus you have for every year, or total how many, and also you can generate report which is the purchase in which year, something like that. Which means that not much varieties already lah when you come out with reports, the real reports for the modules in the future lah.
Maybe put price, maybe. Yeah.
Price, how much they bought in. Okay. Case date here is, again, you can select. Okay. The reason you use the date instead of date and time?
Because maybe they purchased in the past and then they record, so they have to update it. Maybe they get it wrong, they have to. And no, that if they get it wrong, have to update that. But if there's like an extra bus, but they haven't reported in very long in like yesterday or very long time there, and then now they report, you have to add it. Yeah.
Okay. So this part for the date, okay, is
logical.
Yeah, logic to put to manually select the date lah. But for the booking, no lah, huh?
Yeah. And the view all.
Waiting, maintenance, apa itu?
Automatically when you first add it, automatically put it maintenance lah.
Straight away I put it, then straight away under maintenance consider. What's the maintenance here about?
When you first bought it, you shouldn't directly straight away work, right? Should straight away go to work, right?
Actually, it means like check up something.
Which means that once you get it, you have to do some check out first, then only you release it.
Yeah, you have to check the bus first.
Destinations.
Yeah, it doesn't directly go.
Waiting status here.
The what?
You have a waiting status. Waiting.
They're all waiting. I don't know because I couldn't link them to. I don't know how to logic them out. And then the seats left also. I just put the one number on it.
Left.
The data not logical for this one. I just copy paste the data.
I mean, like you should have every bus. You have the same number of seats or what?
They
have the same number of seats.
Yeah, no. Logically, they shouldn't have that, but I copy paste all the seats number on the data. So this data.
Maybe you have add in the attributes to improve this. Like you have to add in the attributes like envelope. I mean, number of seats.
If I change this variable into the number of seats, then more logical.
Yeah, if number of seats, then definitely okay. This bus, I purchased this bus with 45 seats, something like that.
Yeah, I wanted like different like, because if different bus, different time, got different seats available.
If you say seats left, shouldn't happen here. Shouldn't happen inside this table lah. It's not logic to be happen in this table.
So just change. I should change this into number of seats lah.
Yeah.
This variable. Okay.
Yeah. Based on the number of seats that you have here, let's say 45 that you have, then every time booking once, this relates to that particular bus.
Yeah. I have to link, and then
you shouldn't update the seat left inside this bus table. It's not inside the bus table. It's actually to do some calculations from this bus table. You take out the 45 minus the ones that you have booked.
Yeah.
That will be logic, huh? So it's only for your information. Again, in the future, maybe you apply it to other system, which is similar, maybe.
Uh,
Did it?
and then just this one's update bus.
Okay, so after consider checking already done, then I have to change this maintenance 1020 to some other status lah. Consider. Sending, apa ini sending?
The bus going on, they're already sending the customers to on the way to other place like that. Like carrying customer already.
Shouldn't have
Like
this.
just waiting is like staying in there, and then sending is like
I
already
don't think
on the
I
way.
don't agree lah with this type of status lah. Sending
Yeah.
and this and that.
Okay lah.
If you say this bus is still okay, like active, means like it's still working.
Or should be active
Right
just
off maintenance.
now.
So maybe these three.
Or change, or shouldn't have sending, just have active. and then
Waiting
in white
sending is a
and
bit it's a bit
not logical. Doesn't make sense.
yeah.
So we shouldn't. So this 4 can just become active for white off like that, or not, or maintenance like that.
Or under maintenance, because sometimes too long, you need to send for maintenance, you have to update maybe for 1 month. You need to make this status under maintenance for 1 month. Then you have to make it. You have to already for that, so that when you arrange for the schedule, you're not going to use that bus already lah. Once you look at the
The idea is like, since the idea is like, since I can automatically link the table together, I just put when I do the thing in the ticket, I just manually make it like sending or something. Oh, I forgot to put the seats left. Well, if I wanted to, if I did that. Seats left.
Seats left in this team.
Yeah.
Seat left, this seat left is actually for which destination? Because one bus you can actually cater for more than one destination, so you cannot simply inside the bus table lah. Mentioned just now, it's not that logic. It's actually based on the number of the seat you have for that particular bus, minus out those booking seat that already booked for a certain destination. Same destinations, I believe you have different date and times also.
So seats left is more for scheduling.
Yeah,
for the
scheduling part.
Yes. Okay. I should just change. This variable problem. For the logic.
It also no. Yeah, you just put it right off already now.
Yeah.
Okay, bus report.
This one I don't know what to. This one I just put year and number of bus.
Count. At least you count already something. Here you have 1 bus. For next year you have 111, 111. 1, no. You key in what?
What means?
Your
202.
Just now what you key in? You key in 202 or what?
I think I key in 2021. Why it didn't work?
And 221, 3 buses or?
Yeah, should be 3 buses. Yeah.
Only from 2016 to 2020.
I don't think I did it properly for the class report.
Code maybe you put it lesser or let's say equal. I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, I think I did it wrongly for the class report.
Just a minor mistake for the operator lah. You can check lah.
Yeah.
Anyway, you apply the count for that. Good. At least I know for I spent I bought how many bus for every year. Okay. Maybe
I didn't do. I didn't do the bus. I just did with this tree.
mm,
Yeah, I just think this. I think it's. This one didn't do properly at the bus report.
back.
Yeah, I think
You click
the
this.
module I didn't have. I don't have here. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Not here.
Bus menu. Is it your bus menu?
Bus menu.
It's your bus menu. Scroll down a bit. You have inside. No, your what you print out is actually so small. Nice. And you see, you have something like less than. How is it already?
Well, less than last year.
Should be less than equals. Maybe you can try lah. You have to start your
Less
system
than
first.
change the less than equal. I mean,
You stop what's first. I didn't look into others, so maybe others problems as well, but try this one. Seems like small.
mine more problem lah.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, this one is only for your improvement in the future lah, huh? Well, give the marks based on what error submitted. Have double check everything already, yeah? Everything can work properly, yeah? Run
Hopefully-
properly, there is no
hopefully-
error, huh?
Hopefully properly, yeah. Hopefully properly. Hopefully properly. Yeah.
That's why the system testing is important. You don't really need to test it.
Oh yeah, got already. Because the equal sign.
Got already, yeah?
Yeah, the equal sign there got already.
Yeah, just
yeah.
you miss out the current year, lor.
But yeah,
Okay.
so the program sent to you one problem. Yeah. Got the equal sign problem there. Yeah.
So maybe from Kelvin's machine, you can show also a bit on various ones. So that I can see, let me see what's the yesterday.
I didn't use the module. I just doing my module only. I did, so I not experienced using this. I thought
Never mind, Farah, you're going to present, it's okay. Farah?
Farah present, not me. Farah and
Come on.
Okay.
Oh, you open up first.
Oh.
Just share your screen, it's okay. You just continue to share your screen. Farah will only mention what he already updated lah on your machine next. Because since you already share screen, I don't need to change here and there.
No.
Schedule. Next, Farah, and you can show me which part.
Okay. The one yang I did is the edit schedule.
Okay.
Okay. For the one I changed, the update button and delete button are no longer can be selected.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to double click any.
Sample lah.
You need to double click the data first.
Mhm.
Try to double click. then it shows. Yeah. So if you want to cancel, you can cancel it. It go back to ano lah, to normal one. You try to cancel lah. Try to, yeah. So it go back to unavailable again. So what I did, try to just press the add button without any data.
Okay, Kelvin, can you help?
Lagging kah? I think he lagging. I think.
Bro, you can hear me or not, Kelly?
Sorry,
Kelly?
I can hear you, but a bit cut off.
Okay. Maybe Kelvin's side also a bit cut off or a bit lagging here.
I think delay lah. I think.
Hello?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hello.
my
Yeah.
internet. Oh yeah,
Can
my
hear,
internet. I think my internet got problem.
Your language,
You can.
Okay. Try to click
Wait.
the
Oh, sorry.
add button. Just click the add button.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
do
there's
some,
no data here.
okay. Mhm.
Yeah. I did some the try catch for that, and then you can try to add new data lah. So let's say for our next number is 1009, and the bus
So
ID.
like this case, schedule ID also is good to have auto generate, Farah.
Yeah. I want to do the auto generate, the auto increment one, but I don't know how to call
Running.
from. Yeah, I don't know how to call from the database to the text box. That's the only problem lah. I don't know how to do. Okay. Now try to add.
Your departure time, alarm one. Oh, the departure time, very.
That one kan
What's
yang
wrong with the departure time on your line? Schedule ID 100008.
okay. That one kan actually it I wanted to ignore the real time, because that one is a real time. So all the milliseconds it counts lah. So
How
okay.
was only that line?
Yeah, only like it follows from the computer's time kan. It's real time. So after you click it without changing the departure time, it will be like that. So I don't know how to change it the real time or not to be not real time.
And now
But still it can
One.
be edited lah, that one. Yeah, try to update lah.
It,
Yeah. It's only my real time kan. It follows. So another one I try is try to enter the same schedule ID. Same schedule ID but empty the bus ID and operator ID, just to test the strike catch.
empty duplicate. Okay, good.
Yeah. That's what I did lah. Only the try catch and duplicated schedule ID.
So your destination state is actually extracted from Noel's destinations tables, right? Destinations module, right?
It
Or
does.
you create
I-
it.
Oh shit.
I enter the collection in the edit collection, right? So yeah.
You just enter the collections manually lah. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good. So that's all what you have learned for this
Yeah. What happened?
No, never mind. I was trying to break it a bit.
Oh, okay.
Good. So you can see that this is what you have learned previously. Start with your first chapter. Start with your first chapter. And did you already apply those design like using seems like you didn't need shortcut key,
Oh,
shortcut
di-
access key,
didn't do. Oh.
Index number, those things. Yeah, I didn't do.
index. Did you arrange it properly? Those are the things that you have learned that you need to apply.
The
Yeah.
tab one I did by I only the tab one the shortcut key I don't do lah.
Because you just enter in Escape, isn't it?
The ticketing one I also add the tab order. Try to go to add new ticket. Yeah.
No, cannot use Escape to back. Right. I forgot to do that.
This one also.
Can this one back can use? This one back cannot use.
Oh, okay.
This one back. Oh, it's just me. I think. Yeah, I didn't add the shortcut for the back. Only the enter. Yeah, that's all.
Oh, Miss DC.
I miss this year.
Yeah.
Duplicate.
Lost connection. My area here seems like going. Oh, okay. Actually, can there's another problem with my schedule ID. It cannot delete. I cannot delete. Yeah, it cannot delete the one that already assigned in the ticketing. So I don't know how to do.
Link together cannot do
Yeah, I cannot.
random.
It just cannot do lah. It won't work.
Linking stuff is so dumb.
Yeah.
I tried to do everything linking together and I waste so much time. I don't know. Then I
Yeah,
have-
same. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Just mention on what you have learned from this course for all the topics. Most of you all applied. Yeah.
Class, you can hear me?
Yeah, can.
Can already, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They quite to retrieve back the connections. Okay, suddenly just no line. I don't know why. Then
Yeah.
so dark already outside.
I just now also got the DC idea.
Oh, okay. Let's close again. Today I have to work from home. And I believe I'm not sure because the cases now increase. I'm not sure. Suppose May we need to go back already to work. But No, we just wait for the confirmations and notifications again from top management. Okay. It's still flexible for us to work from home, or we can go to office at this moment now. No? So just wait for the latest news from top management. But notice that the cases these few days are increased again. No? So yeah, I think it's good that you all just continue to try your best to finish up all the goals that you have. And then don't forget to try out the past year questions. Have you downloaded the past year questions? Okay, can still hear me, yeah?
Yeah, can
Yeah.
can.
The past year is so a bit hard.
Through the questions already?
Yeah. I just checking the question. I haven't done yet.
Most of the questions are, you can see that half of the questions is like your idea, your opinion,
Yeah.
how you think, what you think, why you say so. So this kind of questions, depends on your logic, your creativity.
If my opinion wrong,
If your opinion wrong,
yeah,
which is not up to the what we have as in the market, something like that,
like
marks will be deducted a bit. No?
like a question got like if a question got like agree or disagree, but the answer should be but the logical answer should be agree. Yeah. But
So if you ask you agree or not agree questions, definitely you have marks for agree or not.
they both
And you will have marks to support or not agree. So it will see. I will look into the points that you support, you agree or not agree already. Okay. There's no right or wrong already. If this kind of questions come out, it's only that how details, how strong is your point to support. You mentioned agree. How strong your point to support your not agree.
Okay.
And you can see that some of the questions is on the coding wise already. It will ask you like for part of the program, like 1 or 2 lines, how to add the combo, how to add the items into the combo, to the list, how to remove all this and that. Make sure you know lah. And then some of the assessment, open book assessment. You need to know where to find it lah. Don't too rely on the Google, because sometimes you can easily for you to search, but is that really about the visual? Is that really about the visual programming, visual studios that you use now? Okay, so it might have some difference there. Okay, so always check your slides first for the Google. Okay? Not especially go for the MSDN. If you need to check something, you can always go to the MSDN and then filter out for the visual programming, visual basic. Okay. So the coding wise, ask you to write a functions. It may ask you to write a sub procedure. What's the difference between all these two? All these two functions, these two procedures?
Will you have like error checking also? Like how
Checking
what line wrong like that?
may have, because these are the questions that can. These are the only questions that can come out. The final. Some more is the open book. I cannot ask you what is this, what is that already. We cannot ask you what's the descriptions of this and that already. Because you can simply get the answer from there, from the slides, somewhere. So be creative, be logic lah. So try your best to do that. And then Thursday we will discuss on these past year questions. That's the only one set. I believe you can get some ideas already what kind of questions that may come out already. And I did double confirm with the course coordinator from KL. She also mentions that it's more or less like what we have the questions for the final online assessment. You all really try that? You can still hear me. I'm not sure.
Yeah, can.
Yeah, otherwise I should really talk about something. So any kind of questions that you want to bring up? I can release your result. I can show you the marks that you get from this assignment. And this is the only coursework that you get the marks. Okay? Even though practical, you didn't get any marks from the practical. But did you notice that you have a lot of ideas actually from you actually apply?
Yeah.
You apply. Now, otherwise, if you don't use that, if you don't go, if you don't practice it, no one can help you. Kevin, I hope you really learned from this course, and then I'm not sure whether you still can take any course for this group or not. Okay. Just for the degree level, each lecturer we can only take up 3 courses maximum for one cohort. Yours consider one cohort. I've taken up 3 courses already, so I really hope I can get some good comment or positive comment from other lecturers in the future semesters, saying that this group is actually really improved no matter in terms of the studies, in terms of patience wise, everything also improved. Well, I'm your academic advisor. Okay. Anything? Any questions that you want to ask? Uh-huh.
For me, no lah.
Do you have anything to ask? You are doing your practical. You're concentrating on doing your practical now.
Oh, Mika.
I mean, Noel. He also Noel. Okay. Say
No.
oh. Say thank you to your friends.
Oh yeah.
You have to say something. To say something here.
Quite lagging.
Something to your friends here.
Thank you. Last time I carry, this time they carry.
Yeah.
Turn,
Yeah, take no.
more, don't do that anymore. Don't do this anymore.
Yeah.
You're going to lose something if you just leave it to others to work it out.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
So I hope all 3 of you can learn and improve semester by semester to keep making you all. Yeah, Karen?
Does this VP got any continuation ka? I mean, like for the next sem ka, in the next sem ka?
Continuation seems like no, but something similar lah.
Oh,
Even you need to come out even more already. Year by year lah.
okay.
Yeah, semester. Come out with something more advanced already lah.
Okay.
So I don't know my connections here. Will it connect PC anytime or not? But never mind, you all just continue your practical. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Continue with your practical.
Okay, Miss.
And the past year questions. Make sure you have the past year questions answer. We need to discuss that in morning class, the Thursday practical class. I'm not sure whether you can hear me clearly. I put at the chat box. Get ready with your past year questions answer. Okay. Discuss that.
Oh, okay, okay.
No questions at this moment. Seems like connections is quite. I don't know why. I can see the very dark outside already. Anytime. So you're just continue for what the practical now. You spend some time to do your questions. Okay. And contact. We can still communicate in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, Miss.